Today I'd like to get your attention to one of the easiest and healthiest hair curling techniques that doesn't require any heat and therefore doesn't damage your hair at all. This technique is curling hair with braids, and in particular I'd like to talk about French braid. The French braid allows us to get more beautiful curls than multiple traditional braids because all the hair is distributed evenly in a single braid, so all the waves look pretty much the same, and you end up having straight bits of hair. All the hair that goes to the braid remains pretty much straight, and this is really good because you get less volume near the roots and the final result looks more natural. This is a really great technique to volumize flat and thin hair, which is the case of my hair. But if your hair is actually thick, it's even better because you will get even more beautiful, fuller and thicker waves. So my technique is the following. I wash my hair, I texturize it with styling mousse, and I just wait for it to be completely dry. I find it much easier to braid hair when it's dry. So I braid, I start 2 or 3 fingers away from my forehead and I braid all the way down till the ends. Make sure that you braid till the very ends because you don't want to get the straight bits of hair at your ends. And then secure the braid with a tiny but tight elastic band. You don't want to lose it when you go to sleep with your braid because this is what I'm going to recommend you. You braid your hair in the evening and you remove the elastic band in the morning. Once you remove the elastic band, you want to split the curls with your fingers. Don't brush your hair because it will get like super frizzy and won't look nice. Just spray the curls with your fingers and you're ready to go. The only thing I didn't mention is that when I said that I braid my hair when it's dry, I didn't say that I afterwards wet my fingers and just tap my braid like this to get it somewhat wet and dampen it a bit. This hair is actually a great base for various hairstyles, and in my future tutorials I'm going to show you a couple of those. But today I would also like to quickly demonstrate you 2 super easy hairstyles that can be done in seconds. So this is the first hairstyle. As you can see, I'm just wearing a hairband. I didn't tease my hair, nothing, just wore a hairband. And it looks pretty good. So the second hairstyle is obtained by just securing all this hair in a ponytail. In a loose ponytail under the hairband. So I secure it. And then I want to get some more volume around my head. So to do this, I grab a small section of hair from the bottom and pull the elastic band up, holding this section. Do something like this on the other side. And it actually creates quite a nice volume behind. So this is the second hairstyle, done in seconds. Now I'm going to give you the links to my tutorials on French braids. I actually made one on the traditional French braid, and yet another one on the inside-out French braid, also known as a Dutch braid. So you can check them out and start braiding your hair also for the waves. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye!